So the first part of talking about how to negotiate a contract successfully is starting with the basic premise that nearly all contracts are negotiable. In the construction world, typically contracts that would not be negotiable would be those that would be part of a bid package or a bid solicitation. If you're going to bid the job, you usually have to accept whatever contract is part of that bid solicitation. Negotiating the contract is critical to the success of any underlying business opportunity, and of course the question becomes why. Number one, you want to minimize risk. Effectively negotiating a contract can significantly minimize your risk on a project. It also improves your odds and timing of payment. The odds of getting paid quicker are a lot better if you've had an opportunity to edit and negotiate that contract to improve, for example, payment terms. A lot of people don't look at payment terms when they sign contracts and realize they may not be seeing their money for a very, very long time. And perhaps most importantly, key to negotiating contracts is to avoid legal disputes. A lot of times people get into legal disputes simply because they haven't effectively negotiated their contract. So reading that legal language and understanding what the ramifications are of negotiating that contract is critical to success of that business operation. So what are some key areas to be looking out for when you're reviewing and negotiating a contract? Well, there's lots of different areas, but there are a few that tend to sort of form the cornerstone of legal disputes that we see in our office. First and foremost, price and terms of payment. Make sure you know how much you're paying for a service or goods, or how much you are being paid. Just as importantly, understand the timing of the payment and the terms. Are you getting paid in 30 days? Are you getting paid in installments? If it's a construction agreement, is there retention being withheld? Very, very important to understand the contours of the payment terms in order to understand the contract. And now is your opportunity before you sign that contract to negotiate those payment terms and the timing of those payments. On the truly legal side, the stuff that lawyers really get excited about, stuff like dispute resolution. If you get into a legal dispute, how are you going to resolve your dispute? Are you going to go to court in litigation, or are you going to arbitrate the dispute in arbitration? I'm Colin McCarthy, Principal Attorney at Lanigan